Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the portfolio. So, if you actually think that the AI wave is done, if the semis and memory stocks plays are actually have peaked out, if you think what's it called, SanDisk, Micron, those type of stocks have already hit the highest point in this cycle, and you think they're gonna slowly continue to go down, I think the play now is probably going to have to be big tech, the Mag 7, right? I believe Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, those stocks dictate whether or not if the those semis and memory stocks will continue to go up just based on if they're going to continue to ramp up their spend, their capex, right? So that's kind of the play that I'm going to slowly get into. I already have a big position in AMD, so if AMD starts dropping hard, I would have to shift most of my money into Meta. I think Meta right now is probably one of the ones that, not the most undervalued, but the one with the most potential to move, right? Because Meta right now has a insane forward PE. Like the PE right now is 22. I think maybe the forward PE is like less than 17, which is pretty good. And Meta also has 30% year over year revenue growth, which is crazy for the type of size that Meta is, right? So if Meta can continue to go down, I would like to see it under 550. If I see Meta under 550, I will buy 5 to 10 shares. If I see it lower than or get close to 500, I'm probably gonna buy another 10 shares of it. I want to build out this position. Right now, I have about $3,000 in. I want to get this position closer to 10K. If Meta continues to get weaker, I will buy heavier. I want to get this to my third biggest position, so it shouldn't be that hard because right now Alpha's my third biggest position and I only have $4,500 in it. So if I see Meta next week, a little bit of red, even a little bit of red, if we see 570s or even 560s, I'm gonna probably buy another 3 shares of it and slowly position myself into that. If I see some weakness in Microsoft, I mean Microsoft's already 10% off its lows, so if I see some more weakness in Microsoft, I'll probably buy some Microsoft as well. I think Meta's a really good deal. Um, Microsoft and Amazon, pretty good deals. I think Microsoft's a better deal than Amazon, but Microsoft is kind of in a weird situation where um, it's kind of in the SaaS related category, and it's a big tech, so it's getting double hit. Getting that double red treatment. So, but I think Microsoft, once everyone stops spending money or not spend as much money on capex as they have been, I think once they announce that, the shift is going to be very clear that all the memory chip stocks and semi stocks are going to top off, and all these, and they're going to start slowly going down, and all these big Mag 7 stocks will start moving up a lot. So that's kind of my mindset right now. I'm slowly not. I mean, I haven't been buying AMD since last year, but I'm kind of focusing on getting these stocks, specifically mostly Meta, into a bigger position. Like I said, I want to get Meta into my third biggest position, if not maybe even get close to where SoFi is. I think SoFi is doing pretty well. I wish I could have got more shares at 15. I just made a big buy at 17, in the $17 range. I think still pretty good buy. I think SoFi next year is $30 plus. If that happens, this position will be pretty good. I think we'll have 40 to 50K in this position by next year. I still think AMD is gonna run up a lot more. I still think AMD is gonna be a $600 plus stock, $600 to $700 stock by the time earnings hit, either before or after. I'm not sure when the run up's gonna happen, and there will be a quick sell off after the run up has happened. So whether the run up happens right before earnings and then it sells off after earnings, or it sells off a lot before earnings, and once earnings come and it shocks everyone, boom, we're gonna see a nice 10 to 15% spike after earnings. So either way, I think we'll go back to all-time highs before that happens, and this portfolio will be at about 100K by then.